Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can authenticate your Hellosign account. So all you have to do is go to the configurations bubble, click on configurations, then we're going to go to company portal profile. Then you're going to click authenticate Hellosign. This is going to take you to the Hellosign login screen. So what you're going to want to do is sign in to your pre-existing account. If you don't remember it, then you can just put your email and then click continue and then forgot password. Or if you've signed in with Google, you can do either or. So I'll show you with an email and then it'll ask you for your password. If you don't remember your password, just click forgot password. But once you do get this information, just click sign in. And in this case, my password's incorrect, so I'm just going to put forgot password and it's going to send me the instructions. So then I would go to my email. Let me grab my email here. So here's the step. It's going to say request reset password. Then from here, I'll just put in my password. This is just a sample. We'll use this one. Update password. And then this is the accept or deny, but since I was doing it here, I am going to refresh this page. I'm going to just go back, put in my credentials, and then sign in. And here's the accept and deny. So you just click accept. And then there you go. Your Hellosign will be authenticated. Then you shouldn't have a problem going into your leads and your customers and sending out the contracts. Hope this video was useful.